Alright folks, hello again, Stuart Blocher with Schluter-Systems. Hey, I figured I'd just share with you guys another little quick tip. This is one that recently helped me out on a renovation. So what I have in front of you all here right now is a 38 by 60 rectangle shower tray. Now this shower tray, as we know, has many benefits, right? It's all pre-sloped, it's lightweight, eliminates the need for a mortar bed, we can trim it, we can extend off of it, super versatile. Love these things. Covered in KERDI, right? Another plus. Hey folks, recently I was dry fitting one of these onto a job and I had some balance on this 38 by 60 shower tray that I was going to need to cut off before I stacked against that shower tray my curb. And then all of a sudden, light bulb, right? Instead of actually cutting that shower tray off, I'm going to keep it there. There's no reason to cut it off, waste it, throw it away. Take a look at what I did, folks. I took my table saw, I had some 2-inch KERDI-BOARD, I ripped that down, and you could have scrap to use this with. This could be any variety of lamination thicknesses of KERDI-BOARD, right? But all I did was take a piece of 2-inch KERDI-BOARD, right? Same practice, key in our thin set on the fleece on both sides, notch out one face side, go ahead and put that down, laminate that together. What I created here, folks, was a curb on top of the shower tray. That's right. Now, since this was at the perimeter edge, I wasn't too worried about the minor amount of slope that was there, plus having a little bit of slope in my curb ended up being to my advantage, right? So what I have here is a dry setup of a shower basin, shower tray. We have the curb over the top. That's a single piece of 2-inch KERDI-BOARD that would be thin setted down. That's the lamination process. We would still overlap all this with our KERDI membrane, but there you go. Instead of cutting down that shower tray and stacking in your curb, I just put the curb on top of the shower tray. It worked out well for me. It saved me some time. And again, these are just some tips, some things you can consider next time you're on the job site. Imagine this if you got a large track homes you're doing, right? Instead of having to buy all those curbs, think of how much more of an advantage this would be, saving that step and maybe saving some money on some material, but still getting the job done just the same way. Super efficient, super clean, super easy, and just making it a little bit easier on everybody. So there's a tip for you. Maybe you can use that next time you're on a job site. Maybe not. Keep it in your back pocket. You never know when you might need it. Anyways, folks, as always, I hope everyone's doing their best to stay safe out there, and all the best.